Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm in my kitchen and I'm planning to organize my cabinets. Look at the current state of my cabinets. Yeah, so I'm going to be organizing it. If you would like to see how it turns out, then just keep watching. Now, in addition to cleaning it out and organize it, I need to purge some things. There are things in here that I am not currently using, and I'm also not using my cabinets as well as I could be using them. Like I've got glasses in here, I've got plates in here, so I need to do some shifting of things to make it make sense. Let me show you the other cabinet too while I'm at it so you can see what a mess I really have. All right, so this is the other cabinet, and over here I have mugs, and then I have some wine glasses. I've got some bowls. You know, I just need to work with these two cabinets and get them organized and there is definitely value in going through this little exercise of pulling everything out of your cabinets, just kind of see what's in there, because things get pushed back there and you don't even know what you have. And I'm gonna tell you now, I don't even remember the last time I've done these cabinets, so I've got quite a bit in here that I will end up purging, taking to the Goodwill or giving away or whatever, but it doesn't need to be in here not being used at all. In reality, I'm not a very organized person. I like things to be organized. I go through the exercise of organizing them, but before you know it, I start stuffing things in different places, and this ends up being kind of a mess again. But again, I'm going to try to keep it together because it just makes sense. You should have all your glasses on one side and your plates and bowls and everything on the other side, if you can do that, you know. And look at all these, what are these? Salad plates, saucers, whatever you want to call them. How many does one need? I have way, way, way too many of these. So you'll see in the purging process, a lot of those will have to go. They're not serving any purpose at all. Now, I love thrifting, and the problem with thrifting is you find things that are cute at the time and you bring them home. You might find a way to use them once or twice and then you don't. So I end up just taking them right back because I do not want my cabinets to be too overcrowded where I can't fit the things that I really need.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't
really liking the way it's looking already. It's amazing how just a little bit of organization can make you feel so much better. I ran across this plate. This is a saucer or whatever salad plate or whatever, but this is something that was from my childhood. I remember this from as long as I can remember. How I ended up with this, I have no idea, but I have it. It's got a little nick here in there, but I will never part with it because it is nostalgic. I only have the one. I don't know if my mom still has any of them or not. I'll have to ask her. I'm gonna just go ahead and put that up there. Now I have this saucer, and this is the only one that I have like this, or the only one I've run across. And if I don't find any more, then I will probably include this in my purge because I'd rather have sets. So I've got a set of these 4 that are just plain plates. We'll go ahead and put those there. And then I have these, and I only have 2 of these, but they're really pretty with the little squiggly lines. I've got these, and I've only got 2 of those. So I actually might end up putting these in the purge as well. We'll see. And then these, I've got 2 of them. I know I have the others. These are my cheese plates. I love these plates. I don't know if you can see the detail in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep those because I'm pretty sure I have the other 2 somewhere. All right. Now, one of the things I noticed is I've got several boxes of the cutlery in here. So I'm taking an old utensil container that I have, and I think I'm just gonna put it up in the cabinet with the cutlery all in there. That way I can get rid of some of these boxes. And then it's also very accessible to me because I've got some here, I've got some up on this shelf, and then there's some all the way, let me see if I can make you see that, sorry. Up there, there's some more all the way up there, so, all right.
Set my world on fire. Set my world on fire.
Here are some more thrifted finds up here. These red glasses, they're beautiful. I love them, but I'm not using them at all. And so they're just taking up precious real estate. So they have to go. The ones that say Noel, I'm definitely going to keep those. I love them. Didn't use them this Christmas, but I definitely plan to use them in the future. So I will keep those. I had all these boxes of ice molds in the freezer. In the cabinet. Not sure why I had them, but anyway, I'm taking those down. I don't even make ice like that, so they're wasting space. I'm just going to clean this cabinet out and see how I can utilize that top shelf with miscellaneous items that would make a little bit more sense for my home. I am finally done and the cabinets look so much better. Now the hard part begins, and that is to keep it this way. Now that top shelf up there, it still kind of looks a mess, and I'm probably going to be looking for some baskets or some type of solution for those items. Those are items that I definitely don't use a lot. However, they are things that I need to keep. So I'll work on that a little bit more. And in here, I still have a lot of glasses and mugs and all of that good stuff, but I did get rid of quite a bit, and I do have them better organized. So I'm happy with the way it turned out. It may not look all that great to you, but trust me, it's better. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that this video was motivating to you. And if it was, please don't leave today without hitting that thumbs up button, that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed, as well as the post notification bell. I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.